Revelation 13 and verses 1 through 2. And the dragon stood on the sand of the seashore. Then I saw a beast coming up out of the sea, having 10 horns and 7 heads, and on his horns were 10 crowns, and on his head were blasphemous names. And the beast that I saw was like a leopard, and his feet were like those of a bear, and his mouth like the mouth of a lion. And the dragon gave him his power and his throne and great authority. Attention has now been placed on the activities of the dragon here on earth, and this chapter will point to 13 facts that are unfolding that believers need to be watching for. A beast arises from the sea, which biblically symbolizes evil and chaos. And Isaiah 57 says, "The wicked are like the tossing sea, for it cannot be quiet, and its waters toss up refuge," which means waste or garbage and mud. The term beast in Greek is defined as a wild, dangerous animal. These are some of the characteristics of the man of lawlessness that is rising amongst the people. He will represent himself as charming, as successful, and appearing as an angel of light to the delusional. The horns, heads, and crowns represent his power, dictatorship, authority over other nations, princes, and subsidiaries in Satan's beast system, and they will all have blasphemous messages that defy God. Fact number 1: there will be one powerful nation that is the central hub for Satan's demonic activity. The transfer of the power of wickedness is given to the beast, the man of lawlessness, because he will represent Satan in the flesh. And this beastly system will have the mannerism of a combination of ferocious animals. Once he has solidified his place in office, Satan will for the third time enter a being. The first was the serpent, the second was Judas, and now the man of lawlessness. This will be a final world empire under the leadership of a satanic dictatorship. This type of absolute power only comes through a governmental system that will operate through dominance, punishment, and violence because absolute power corrupts absolutely. The battle that Satan waged in eternity past was based on gaining absolute power.